विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचा पुढला घटक that is potentiometer. The potentiometer is a device. Potentiometer is the device to measure potential difference at EMF of the given source of electricity, that is given cell or battery. Also, the potentiometer acts as ideal voltmeter. Potentiometer acts as a ideal voltmeter. The potentiometer, nothing but it is a long wire about 4 meter to 10 meter long. And this wire is uniform. The potentiometer is nothing but long, straight, uniform wire about 4 meter to 10 meter long. This is about the potentiometer. We discuss about the principle of potentiometer or potentiometer principle. What is the principle of potentiometer? Well, this is the potentiometer wire. Say AB, A, B is the potentiometer wire 400 centimeter long or 4 meter long. This segment is 1 meter, this segment is 1 meter, this segment 1 meter and this segment 1 meter. Hence, the distance between AB is 4 meter or 400 centimeter. And we connect the source whose EMF E and R is the internal resistance. That is, we consider potentiometer wire AB is equal to L. Suppose the length of that potentiometer wire is capital L or AB is equal to L and capital R be the resistance of this wire. If key is closed, the electric current I passing through this wire AB due to say E or due to EMF E. Hence the current in this circuit is I is equal to E upon R plus R. Also, the potential difference between A to B or AB is suppose PAB. PAB is the potential difference between A and B, or this is given as I into R. Therefore, PAB is equal to, using value of I, ER divided by R plus R. But is the length of potentiometer wire. Therefore, the potential difference per unit length is given by P AB divided by L. That is, potential difference per unit length is equal to ER divided by L into bracket R plus R. But ER divided by L into bracket R plus R is equal to constant, and that constant is called K, or velocity. This K is called potential gradient. This K is called potential gradient. That means the value of ER divided by L, R plus R is equal to constant, and that constant K is called potential gradient. Therefore, PAB upon L is equal to K, or VAB is directly proportional to L. This is called the principle of potentiometer. VAB is directly proportional to L. The statement of this principle of potentiometer is the potential difference between 2 points is directly proportional to length or distance between these 2 points. म्हणजेच A आणि B मध्ये जेवढं पोटेन्शियल आहे त्या पोटेन्शियलच्या प्रमाणामध्ये त्याची लेंथ असते, किंवा त्या लेंथच्या प्रमाणामध्ये त्याचं पोटेन्शियल वाढतं. त्यालाच म्हणतात पोटेन्शियोमीटर प्रिन्सिपल और प्रिन्सिपल ऑफ पोटेन्शियोमीटर. द पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट is directly proportional to length or distance between these 2 points. This is called the principle of potentiometer, that is VAB is directly proportional to L. Suppose we consider a point C at a distance L from A, that is AC. AC is equal to L. Then the potential difference between A to C is VAC, or this VAC is directly proportional to L. This is also called principle of potentiometer up to length small l, and this is the principle of potentiometer up to length capital L. Then we discuss about the use of potentiometer. Uses of potentiometer. First use of potentiometer is that to compare the EMF of 2 cells. The first use of potentiometer is to compare the EMF of 2 cells. Consider a potentiometer. Consider a potentiometer wire or potentiometer A. Then a cell whose R, H are connected across AB or are connected in series across this potentiometer wire AB. Then we consider two cells. First cell whose EMF E1, second whose EMF E2. There is another key, say K1, K2, and these two keys connected to galvanometer, and the other end of galvanometer is connected to jockey. The comparison of two cells. In first case, suppose direct method. This is the direct method of comparison of two cells. The two cells whose EMF E1 and E2 are connected at a terminal, and another terminal of these two cells is connected to two keys, and next end of both the keys is connected to one terminal of galvanometer, and other terminal of galvanometer is connected to jockey. And these three components, E, K and rheostat RH, are connected in series across the potentiometer wire A. This is the circuit diagram of this comparison of cell in diagram. If key K and K1 is closed and K2 is open, that means this key K is closed, K1 is closed, but K2 is open, then electric current passing through this circuit through cell E1. Also, the EMF of this cell is greater than E1 and also is greater than. If key K and K1 is closed, K2 is open, electric current passing through this circuit through this cell E1, then touch the jockey on wire AB and find out null point or zero reflection on galvanometer. Zero reflection on galvanometer. Suppose this zero reflection is observed at point D. Then measure the distance between A to D. Measure distance between A to D. Suppose this distance AD is equal to L1 due to cell E1, then we get the first equation, E1 is equal to K into L1. So equation number 1, where this K is called potential gradient. Then if K and K2 is closed and K1 is open, then if this key K and K2 is closed, and this K1 is open, the electric current passing through this circuit through E2 and galvanometer shows deflection. Again we touch the jockey at different point on this wire AB and find out again null point, that is zero deflection on galvanometer. Suppose that point is observed at point, suppose C, that null point is observed at point C. We measure distance A to C, and suppose this distance AC is equal to L2 due to say E2, therefore E2 is equal to K into L2. Equation number second. Then we compare E1 and E2, or we compare equation 1 and equation 2, we get the comparison of two cells, that is E1 divided by E2 is equal to KL1 divided by KL2. K get cancelled. E1 upon E2 is equal to L1 upon E2. This is the comparison of two cells, or EMF of this first cell, EMF of second cell is nothing but the L1 upon L2 by direct method. Thank you.